I'm going to make a quick video to show you all the stability of the boat. That's been one of the big questions I've had. If I go over to the right of the back of the deck, it's going to do this. If I go over to the far left, it's going to do that. I'm going to walk up to the center and just fish it for a second to give you an idea of the stability. I don't have a problem with it. I typically fish with myself on the front up here and then someone in the rear. And it seems to be fine. Of course, you have to be careful. It's not a big bass boat, but it works. I don't usually sit down when I'm fishing, but you can. What to do when the bite is slow? Make YouTube videos. Anyway, I hope this gives you all a feel for the stability of the boat.